right to live a life without suffering and abuse. Do you consume animal products? Are you vegetarian? Do you consume dairy? Do you wear leather or animal tested products? We do? Okay. So let's talk about dairy quickly. There's no point going about all other. So do you know when this cow and buffalo produces milk?
Lactation period.
After giving birth. Cool. So do they produce more milk than their babies need?
Yes.
Are only cows and buffaloes produce more milk than their babies need, or other mammals also do, or humans also do? Everybody produce more milk than their babies need?
No, that means
They don't, right?
yeah,
So how come cow and buffalo producing more milk than their babies need?
they are forced to.
They are forced to.
Therefore, yes.
Okay. So that means if we have to take the milk, calf is not getting the milk. Agree? So what happens is once cow is pregnant, she delivered, she's gonna produce milk for 9 months, and then it's gonna dry down. If I have to do a dairy business, what should I do? I should keep her pregnant so that she keep producing babies, and her lactation period continues almost forever. So what they typically do is, so once cow has delivered a baby, after 3 months they'll make her pregnant again. So after this 9 months of period, she'll have 2 more months, and then she'll be again delivering the baby. So now, since cow is producing milk during her pregnancy, it will have hormones, which is going to harm all of us. That's first thing. Secondly, when cow produces babies, it's not going to be female always, it's going to be male or female. So now female babies cannot be put into the male babies cannot be put into the same cycle. So there's no point raising them.
Some other cycle for running the carts and
No, but that's not there anymore, and that's also not required.
no, but in agriculture and farming and some places. Like
I'll tell you just to give you a quick stats. So in buffaloes we have 15% male buffaloes and 85% female buffaloes, and in cows we have 25% and 75%. Do you know why? Because these male calves, they are either dumped on the roads or they are sent to slaughterhouses to be converted into leather, because we want their mother's milk, which they deserve and which belongs to them. So now male calves are sent off. Female calves, they'll be again made pregnant similar to their mother in 1.5 years, when they are 1.5 to 2 years old. So that's equivalent to 13-year-old female. And do you know how cows and buffaloes are made pregnant? Because now there are not enough males. How are they going to get pregnant? They're going to get pregnant using the method called artificial insemination, which if you look closely, it's similar to rape. It's a forced pregnancy, putting hands inside cows' reproductive system. It'll just come in the video. You'll get an idea what I'm talking about. And in some cases where they don't do this, they rent a bull, excite the bull, tie the cow or buffalo, and do the same procedure essentially. That's again a forced pregnancy, forced sexual assault essentially.
So what is the bottom line here?
The bottom line here is, every time we consume animal products, we make animals as commodities, as objects which could be sold and bought. We take away their individual status, that they have their desire to live. They want to have to live with their babies. Babies want to live with their mothers, and they exist for their own reason. They don't exist for us. So bottom line is, if we don't want to contribute to such cruelty, if we believe in justice for all, then we should be ditching all animal products, be it leather or milk or meat or egg or silk or honey. All animal products comes from cruelty and enslavement. They are being made lifelong slaves for our 2 minutes of habits and taste. Is it justified? So that's what we are asking. See, this exactly, she's made pregnant. Don't you think this is rape? And then these are the male calves which are sent to slaughterhouses. They are either starved or and then this alone is not sufficient. They are given oxytocin injections so that the milk they have held for their babies, they know humans are kamina. So the babies, the milk they have held, which will be dropped down once these oxytocin injections are given. These injections are given to females during the delivery to ease the delivery. And the same injection are given to cows every day, cows and buffaloes every day. This is the kind of injustice we are doing. And we don't need milk. Once we have teeth, we don't need milk. No other adult animals drink milk other than humans.
Cool. We again reinvest our time.
Yeah,
Taking care
you can actually consume plant-based milk. You can make coconut milk, badam milk, peanut milk, kaju milk. There are a whole lot of variety available, and you can also make it at home. It's pretty easy. And in fact, this is a documentary called Unholy Cattle of India, which talks about what happens in dairy industry in India. It also has some facts. And we are called Bengaluru Brigade for Animal Liberation Group.
Okay.
And yeah, we are on Facebook, Insta, Twitter, everywhere. You can message us.